Hi everyone, this session is about conversion of Mealy machine to Moore machine. We will see with an example how to convert a Mealy machine to Moore machine. In the given Mealy machine, there are 4 states. Those are Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q1 is the starting state. If you observe in the Mealy machine, if the machine is at Q2, output is 0. If the machine is at Q2, output is 1. So there is a conflict here. In the Moore machine, the output depends on only state. But here, if the machine halt at Q2, output is 0 and the same machine halt at Q2, output is 1. To avoid that, instead of writing Q2, we are writing two states, that is Q2 0, that means it is giving the output 0, and Q2 1, which is giving the output 1. Similarly, with the case of Q4 also. Q4 means it is giving the output 0 and here Q4 means it is giving the output 1. Similarly, we need to write Q4 0 which is giving the output 0 and Q4 1 which is giving the output. So we are splitting Q4 into two states in the Moore machine. Now we will start constructing the Moore machine. First we will write the states in the Moore machine, that is Q1, and instead of Q2 we are writing the state Q20 and Q21 and Q3 is one more state and Q40 and Q41. When machine is at Q1 output is 1. Here also we can observe that when machine is at Q1 output is 1. So that Q1 is giving the output 1. Already we have discussed that Q20 is giving the output 0 and Q21 is giving the output 1. If you observe in the Mealy machine, if the machine is at Q3, output is 0. Here also we can observe that if the machine is at Q3, output is 0. So that Q3 is giving the output 0. We have already discussed that Q40 is giving the output 0 and Q41 is giving the output 1. Q1 on 0, it is moving to the state Q3, so that we need to write here Q3. Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state Q2, but there is no Q2 state in the Moore machine. But the output here it is 0, so that we need to write Q2 0. So Q1 on 0, we need to write Q2 0. Next is Q2 on 0, it is moving to the state Q1, so that we need to write here Q1 and Q1 for both Q20 and Q21. Q2 on 1, it is moving to the state Q4, but there is no Q4 state in the Moore machine. If you observe here, output is 0, so that we need to write Q40. So that we need to write Q40 and Q40. Q3 on 0, it is moving to the state Q2, but there is no Q2 state in the Moore machine. If you observe here, output is 1, so that we need to write Q21. That means Q3 on 0, it is moving to the state Q21 since the output is 1 here. Q3 on 1, it is moving to the state Q1, so that we can write Q1 here. Next is Q4 on 0, it is moving to the state Q4 and there is no Q4 state. Based on the output, here the output is 1, so that we need to write Q41. So here for both Q40 and Q41, we need to write Q41 and Q41. Next is Q4 on 1, it is moving to the state Q3, so that we need to write here Q3 and Q3. And in the Mealy machine, Q1 is the starting state, so in Moore machine also Q1 is the starting state. We will see one more example to convert Mealy machine to Moore machine. In the given Mealy machine, there are three states, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q1 is the starting state. If you observe in the Mealy machine, if the machine is at Q2, output is Z1. And if you observe here, machine is at Q2, output is Z2. So that to avoid this conflict, instead of writing Q2, we can introduce two states, that is Q21 and Q22, and Q21 is giving the output Z1 and Q22 is giving the output Z2. So the states in the Moore machine are Q1, Q21 and Q22, and when machine halt at Q21 output is Z1, when machine halt at Q22 output is Z2. And if you observe in the Mealy machine, if the machine halt at Q1 output is not defined. Here we have Q222 and Q3 and Q2 we have, but we have never seen Q1. So for that, if the machine halt at Q1, the output is epsilon. Similarly here, if the machine is at Q3, output is Z1, and here if you observe, if the machine is at Q3, output is Z2. So instead of that, we have to introduce two states, that is Q31 which is giving the output as Z1 and Q32 which is giving the output as Z2. In the Mealy machine, Q1 is the starting state. So in the Murray machine also the starting state is Q1. Q1 on A, it is moving to the state Q2 and there is no Q2 state in the Murray machine. If you observe the output, that is Z1. So that we need to write here, instead of Q2, we need to write Q21 since the output is Z1. Q1 on B, it is moving to the state Q3 and there is no Q3 in the Murray machine, but the output is Z1. So that we need to write Q31 here in the Murray machine, because Q31 is giving the output Z1. And Q2 on A, it is moving to the state Q2 and there is no Q2 in the Murray machine, and if you observe here, output here it is Z2. So we need to write here Q22 and Q22 because Q22 is giving the output Z2. Q2 on B, it is moving to the state Q3 and the output here it is Z2, and Z2 output is given by Q32, so that here we need to write Q32 and Q32. Q3 on A, it is moving to the state Q2 and the output is here Z1. So Z1 is produced by Q21, so that here we need to write Q21 and Q21. Q3 on B, it is moving to the state Q2. If you observe here, output is Z2. And Z2 is produced by the state Q22, so that we need to write here Q22 and Q22. This is how we need to convert the Mealy machine to Murray machine. And there is no final state in these machines. Please do subscribe and thanks for watching.